Hello and welcome to another workout video, and today's workout video is especially for those days when you have absolutely no time to work out, so all you need is 5 minutes. We're going to do 3 exercises, 2 rounds and 25 reps for each exercise. So get ready, we're about to start. 25 squats, let's go. This is the kind of workout that you should do when you have absolutely no time and basically you are thinking of skipping a workout. Well, here's the deal. Even a 5-minute good workout is better than no workout, and I would suggest that if you have no time, just do this quick workout. It's a full body workout. You utilize your entire body doing this workout, and guess what? At the end of the day, you sleep better knowing that you did a workout and you didn't skip it. So we're only going to take 10 to 15 seconds of break between each exercise because we're short on time and we're going to maximize our efforts. This is a core workout, so you're going to do 25 dB high knees. dB stands for dumbbells, and if you do not have dumbbells because you're traveling or you're at a place where you do not have your dumbbells available to you, then all you can do is just not use a dumbbell. That's it. Do it without a dumbbell. Just keep your hands straight in front of you, palms facing downwards, and start bringing your knees all the way up. Try to touch the knees to your open palms. So that could be a good alternative to doing the high knees with dumbbells. In this workout, what we're doing is that each exercise, we're doing 25 reps. So this is not easy. If you're used to doing 10 to 12 reps, maximum 15 reps for each exercise, this is going to really test you and push your limits because you're going to do all of these 3 exercises in sets of 25 reps. Here we're doing tricep kickbacks because that is one exercise which is a great upper body workout while controlling your core and targeting your core muscles as well. I'm using dumbbells here, but if you do not have dumbbells available, use water bottles. If you do not have water bottles, just simply make a fist on both your hands and staying in this position, just bring your hands all the way back and then front. This was it. That was round number 1, already done under 2 minutes. And now we're gonna have another 10 seconds break and we will repeat the entire cycle. So we're gonna start with squats, 25 squats. You will not stop until you have squatted for 25 times. Because we're doing this workout in only 5 minutes and you have 5 minutes to finish this world's shortest workout, you're going to give it your all. Remember, it's only 5 minutes. All these 3 exercises that are targeting your lower body, your core, and your upper body basically activate your entire body while you're doing this workout in 5 minutes. Picking up your dumbbell again, we are going to do high knees. So let's get ready, get in your position, and give me 25 dumbbell high knees right now. I'm going to show you from the side as well how your posture should look when you are doing the dumbbell high knees. And again, if you do not have the dumbbells available to you, just have your hands open straight in front of you, palms facing downwards. Keep pushing and do not stop until you've given 25 reps. The entire idea behind this short, quick, and extremely effective workout is that you do maximum reps in minimum amount of time and you do the 3 exercises that target your entire body muscles. Here we go, that's the last exercise coming up, so don't waste any time. Hold on to your dumbbells. If you do not have dumbbells, just make fists and then get into the right position for tricep kickbacks. Bend in the knees, bend in your back as well, and then full speed ahead. 25 kickbacks. This workout is perfect for when you're traveling, when you are extremely busy and you do not have any time to go to the gym. That's it. And as it says, game over. If you want to play again, do another 2 rounds, go ahead. But for now, thank you for watching and do subscribe and like this video. I'll see you next time.